Surprise, and I bet it has slime in it. So I'm gonna open it. Nail textures. Whoa. It's opening. I can't open this. I can't open it. Okay, I'm opening it. Ooh, slime surprise. Surprise. Okay. Instructions. You gotta make something. Hold on, what? I think my mom. I don't want to rip it. It keeps falling on me. Oh, you gotta put it in here so you can make slime. What? What is this? Pause the video really quick. I open these now, so I'm gonna do this. It's the poop. A gobble. It's a gurgly turkey. It's a poopsie. It's so cool. Okay, now let's open the third one. It's a mixing cup. Oh, snap. Oh. Look at my new hat. Now let's do third. It's just like a big old bottle. Wait, where's the slime? I think this is. Know what's in here? Because I watched someone do this before, and the ingredients are going to be here. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, one part. That's weird. Okay. There we go. What? This is so cool. What in the world? So cool. Who made this? Oh my God. Let's do this. Let's put it in. Oh wait, there's my. Take that right there. Woohoo! Okay. Nothing else. Okay, let's put the phone down really quick. I open them a little. Okay. Oh, mixing spoon. It's a unicorn.
Let me see.
Oh. Okay. Whoa. This is kind of a juicy thing to make the slime stick. This is gonna be the bottle where I make our slime. So let's just do it. Yeah. Twisting. Corn, you hold that. Now I'm just gonna fill this with water. Bam! Water! Okay, now I need to add something. Okay, unicorn, hold that while I fill it with water. Okay, now I'm gonna fill this with water again. Okay, I gotta put 5 drops in that bottle. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5. I just want this to smell a lot of good, so I didn't puff up the drops that my mom said. Okay, this is the unicorn food. Let's do this. Excuse me. My name is Marco. A mango. Guys, when my mom was trying to open this, she accidentally poured it everywhere in my room, but it's okay. It's not coming out. Okay. Ooh, the unicorn thread turns red in the water. It's red. It's gonna be red slime. What if it turns pink? Good. Okay. I gotta put the lid on and shake it all up. Okay. Shake. Some of it is sticky. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, now I'm gonna open this. Oh my. It's pink, but isn't pink pink? I love pink. What can I say? Pink is my favorite color. And now I'm going to clean this out in a clean spot because it's beautiful. That's a very clean spot. No, get. I took this all out. Now I'm going to put the unicorn magic in it.
What's it feel like?
Jello. It feels totally Jello. It smells bad now. Okay, let me open. Now we're going to put some in here. Let's go. Okay. That's enough. Let's see what's going to happen. Mixing it up. Mixing it up. Okay. Rip. Scoozy. Badoozy. Ooh. Getting a beautiful, brighter pink. Oh, snap. So beautiful. Why? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is my first time having slime now. My mom's going to be putting some more of that yummy, beautiful smell thing because I love it. Go, Mom. Do it. Do it. Do it. Okay.
What colors did it go from? Like,
And beautiful gumbo kind of pink.
what does it smell like?
No, it smells so bad. Poopsie Surprise. Now I'm going to make the slime go into the Trixie poop. Now I open the lid. Now I'm going to put the slime in. Ooh. It's not fitting. Why? Come on. Dude. This is not fitting right now. We're gonna do half of this in the turkey poopsie, and we're gonna do this one in here. Because there's a fan. It's on. It's on, it's on, it's on, it's on, it's on. Okay. Now put it in here. Oh. Poor slime. Good, good, good. for watching my Poopsie Slime video. Make sure to subscribe.